In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out the element's name in Canva. This is a simple but handy skill that helps you reference an element later, search for it again, or share accurate details with a teammate. We'll move slowly and clearly so you can follow along the first time. Start by opening Canva and heading into the project where your element lives. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you can interact with everything on the canvas. Now, click the element you want to identify. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box or handles appear around it. If multiple items light up, click once on an empty area to deselect, then click just the element you care about. Taking a second here to confirm you have the right object will make the next step straightforward. With the element selected, open the context menu. On a mouse, that's a right click. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. And on some keyboards, you can press Ctrl while you click to bring up the menu. You should now see a small list of options that relate to the element you've selected. From that menu, choose Info. This option is specifically designed to show you details about the item you clicked. When you select Info, Canva will open a small panel or pop-up with information tied to that element. Right at the top, you'll see the element's name. This is the label Canva uses internally to identify the asset, and it's the exact wording you can reference later if you want to search for it again or cite it accurately in notes. Take a moment to read the name carefully. If you plan to reuse the element across projects, jot the name down or copy it so you have it handy. This is especially helpful when you're curating a consistent visual style, matching elements across slides, or collaborating with others who need the same asset. If you see additional details in the info panel, you can glance at them, but the element's name is the key piece we came for. When you're done, simply close the info panel or click back on your canvas to continue designing. That's all there is to it. Select the element, right-click, choose info, and the name is right there. It's quick, reliable, and a great habit whenever you want to keep your design assets organized and easy to find later. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.